Ready-to-use Fusion Pro is the single-component grout that's guaranteed stain-proof and color-perfect. Now, spreading and cleaning enhanced Fusion Pro is easier than ever. And with a team installation approach, it's even faster. Each step of the install is the same as using a cement grout. The main difference is in the timing. Unlike a cement grout, Fusion Pro is spread and then cleaned immediately. This video will show how a team working together can achieve maximum production rates while providing the unsurpassed performance of Fusion Pro.
The learning curve with the Fusion Pro was fast, and it was easier than we expected. It's as easy as grouting any other grout.
It's a different process. It requires a team approach.
The key to success with this method is having installers create an assembly line. One spreads the grout, one shapes the joints, and one cleans the tile and refreshes the rinse water.
Was a lot more productive, probably 20 or 30% more productive than if you took two men and had them grout separately.
Fusion Pro is a great time saver in the field with our installation teams.
Begin by reading the technical data sheet online for the most up-to-date product information. Have a plan to work in a pattern along rows of tile and decide how to rotate positions efficiently so that the grout can be cleaned up immediately. Begin with a lightly damp wipe of the tile or pre-treat porous or highly textured tile with grout release. With a crew of 3, the first installer spreads the grout for 1 to 2 minutes, covering 10 square feet. As soon as he moves an arm's length away, the second installer moves into that position to shape the joints and do the first clean wipe with a sponge. The third teammate follows up with the microfiber towel drag and keeps the rinse water refreshed. Make sure sponges and towels are rinsed clean and completely wrung out to prevent any dripping water on the tile or in the joints. Each installer should only work within arm's reach. Don't overspread or overscrub the joints, but keep the process moving in a smooth rhythm of spreading, shaping, and cleaning the same size area. The team will find an even pace that allows them to clean the tile immediately. For larger teams, the individual shaping and cleaning roles can be broken up further. With a 2-man crew, they will swap roles, so one spreads and cleans when the other brings fresh water.
Once they see the system, once we work in this team approach, we've had great response from the field.
Train your guys to use the product right, and in the end run, it'll save you money, and you'll be happy you did it.
The team installation approach has been used successfully to save time and money on jobs of all sizes, from homes to shopping malls. To learn about Fusion Pro or get more installation tips, visit us online or give us a call.